Well, simultaneously, while the parliament proceedings were on, Arvind Kejriwal has now been arrested this time by the CBI. The Central Bureau of Investigation has formally arrested the Delhi Chief Minister and the Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal in the liquor policy case as a probe agency who represented that when it comes to the arrest that is now concerned of Arvind Kejriwal, that has happened right after his examination in the Tihar jail, where the CBI, the probe agency, also recorded his statement related to the excise policy case. Let me go across to Bhavtosh now. Bhavtosh, Arvind Kejriwal now arrested by the CBI.
Yes, Amita, in fact, there were very many conflicting reports yesterday. Some news groups were saying that he has been arrested, whereas CBI has now clarified, and even the court clarified that he was not arrested. And today, when he was produced from judicial custody, his formal arresting happened when CBI took permission from the court. He was questioned briefly in court's clerk's office. After that brief questioning, CBI produced him in the court, informing the court that he has been arrested. Our colleague Priyank is giving us minute-by-minute update. Now CBI has said that they are seeking his custody. In the hearing that is going on presently, CBI is in fact informing the court as to what is excise policy case. Now, what the CBI is telling the court is that the brief note where it has been mentioned that the profit margin of the wholesalers abruptly increased from 5% to 12%, that brief note in which certain notings were made in which the legal experts, in fact the group of legal experts, had said that there is no need to increase the profit margin from 5% to 12% and also to increase the liquor vends in capital. That brief note is missing. And CBI had in fact written a letter to the Chief Minister's office asking that this note should be in fact given to the CBI since it was conducting an investigation. That note has still not been in fact given to the CBI. CBI has also informed the court about how this entire excise policy came into existence. Remember, Amita, this excise policy is now scrapped. This was excise policy 2021-2022. Both federal probe agencies, CBI as well as ED, had said that South Group, it has been identified as the South Group, had allegedly paid kickbacks worth 100 crore rupees, though Aam Aadmi Party has denied this charge.
All right. Thank you very much for that update, Bhavtosh. As far as the agencies are now concerned, the central agency, the CBI, which is also investigating the now scrapped liquor policy case, has now formally arrested the Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal. We continue to get you the live updates back after a short break.